Chinese and African at it again because the China keep them out of China. You don't see it, Papa?
See what man.
I saw them deal black people all the time, boy.
Right,
as black people must always look out for each other. Yeah, man. We can't tear down each other. I saw you going alright, I'm going to tell you, boy. We have to look out for each other on the road, you know?
Yeah, man.
And I did you now. Yo, someone with you, give me a job. Because, you know, you're black people, we look out for black people, you know. Yo, I'm going alright.
Low to me again.
Yeah, man, you know, so I beg no drive.
Beg a drive?
Yeah, man.
I don't know about that, you know. No worry, we pay. And we pay for you?
Yeah, man, that's a simple thing, man.
Come in then, man, come in.
Alright.
So fine, you know.
Yo, you know what I said? It's a robbery, you know. Hands up, everybody, put up your hand. Yo, driver, put back your hand for the steering, because I have to show you. Pull over. Yo, man in the front. Come on. Yo, driver, yo, come on. Yo, we don't empty in the pocket.
I'm not to the pocket.
What do you want me to kill you?
It was at this moment Jackson knew. He up.
Hello?
Let me chat to one thing. Let me chat to you, boy. I'm mad as a fool on my back, you know.
Luke, contact your father.
Boy, me not tell us if you left me back alone.
We did not play with it, but I just 2 years old, it bigger than mine. Take out here and play with it.
Which part you do with it? When me come up, I go and kill you with lick.
You don't know there now, we are with Richard Brown's films, you see me? You don't know what Talk Up TV and we there take a little part in the scene them and do one thing. And the thing is very interesting, you know. So I want to know, tune in, like and subscribe and share. Drop it on the status everywhere, Facebook, anywhere, you see me? Yeah man, I remember Talk Up TV I represent, you know. Yeah man, just go check out it on YouTube. Talk Up TV 1. Normally I go and ask people questions, but you know the corona time, so some short skit we are doing look viral news, you see me? You can go check it out and subscribe. Enough respect.